Little half pound under the log.
Put some bolts in my gun, huh?
Who's shooting it?
Huh?
Who's shooting it?
I'll take my shot, and if I miss, Joe will shoot.
Alright.
Why would you miss?
Because I'm not zeroed in at 50 yards. Go. This is real close. I might shoot low.
It blew it in half.
The red dot's dead on.
Let's go check out that. Yeah, dude, that was pretty good. Nice. I think you killed the log.
Sweet. That was badass.
That'll
I wonder
do.
how close we can stand from it.